Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I hope you all can hear me. Please reply via chat box. Hello. Yeah. Thank you. Welcome to agricultureinformation.com webinar. Today we are going to interact with Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni on medicinal plants. The format of the webinar will be as follows. I'll mute everyone in the audience except Mr. Nilesh. And then Mr. Nilesh will make his presentation, and after we listen to him, we can ask him our questions by typing in chat box, or you can also email me at ed@agricultureinformation.com. Repeat, ed@agricultureinformation.com. Then I'll forward the questions sent by you, and if we have time, I may unmute one or two members in the audience so that you can directly talk with Mr. Nilesh. Nilesh, I am unmuting you now. Mr. Nilesh, please unmute yourself. Yeah, please start your presentation.
Hello. I'm Nilesh Kulkarni, working on medicinal plants since last 12 years. On various medicinal plants, I'm working in Maharashtra and all over India. I'm also exporting bawachi seeds and coleus in various countries since last 5 years.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am already supply various medicinal plants to various manufacturers like Patanjali, Yogpit, Dabar, Baidyanath, and so many other small manufacturers in India. Medicinal crops are very useful to the farmers. In indigenous herbs used as remedies against various diseases in the traditional systems of medicine or in mathematical practices. For the past few decades, compounds from natural sources have been gaining importance because of the vast chemical diversity they offer. Okay?
Okay.
Then I talk on Coleus or Ashwagandha.
Yeah,
Hello.
please continue. Please continue. Everyone is hearing you.
Okay. Coleus. First, I will talk on Coleus. Coleus is English name is Coleus. In Indian name, Pashan Bhej. In Marathi, Patharpu. And species are Coleus force. It is one of the most potential medicinal crops of the future. As it is therapeutically, properties have been discovered only recently. In under cultivation, in a part of Rajasthan and Maharashtra and Karnataka and Tamil Nadu in a large scale. Pharmaceutical companies procuring this crop under the contract farming. For more details, medicinal properties and uses of Coleus. Dry tuberous roots are the economic part. Its tuberous roots are found to be rich source of alkaloids called psoralea. Psoralea is the important base for many drugs developed for hypertension, gluconemia, congestive heart failure, weight management, and certain types of cancers. Leaves are employed in treating the intestinal disorder and used as a containment. In addition, psoralea is reported to have been used in the preparation of medicine preventing hair graying and restoring grey hairs to its normal color. Production technology of Coleus. Soil. It is thrives better pore cells and well drained soil with pH ranging from 5.5 to 7. It does not require very fertile soil and can be economically grown even on the soils with marginal fertility. The red sandy and ideal for the cultivation of this crop. Sandy loam. Waterlogging soil is not useful for the Coleus. Climate. Coleus is a crop of tropics. It prefers humid climate with raining from 60 to 85% and temperature range between 10 to 35 for its successful growth. The annual rainfall in such areas from 100 to 160 centimeters. It is also found to perform well in less humid and warm regions when grown as an irrigated crop. Varieties of Coleus cultivated. Selection K or K8, a non-flowering type, has been found good for cultivation. And Karnataka and Tamil Nadu conditions, all the growing areas are using type only. Number of plants per acre, 24,000 plants per acre. Farm yard manure, 4 tons fertilizer NPK 20, P2O5 30, K20 25. Cultivation. For commercial planting, the crop is propagated through terminal cuttings. For this purpose, about 10 to 12 centimeter long cuttings comprising 3 to 4 pairs of leaves are prepared. Cuttings are planted in a well-prepared nursery bed or poly bag under the shade, or directly cultivated in field, as there is no problem in rooting the established well in nursery. After about a month time, then the cutting has produced sufficient root. It is ready for transplanting. In most areas, the crop is planted during June-July with one set of southwest monsoon. Before planting, the field is plowed deep soon after receipt of pre-monsoon showers and brought to thick fine tilth. Land should be divided into plots of convenient size, which are prepared into ridges and furrows at spacing 60 centimeters, and rooted cuttings are planted at 30 centimeters apart within the root. Irrigation and interculture. The first irrigation is given immediately after transplanting if there are no rains during the first 2 weeks. After planting, the crop is irrigated once in 3 days, and thereafter weekly irrigation is enough to obtain good growth and yield. Due to frequent irrigation during the initial stage, there is a lot of competition from weeds. In order to obtain economic yield, frequent weeding during the early growth period is desirable. Further, as the plant covers the soil under their flows, not much of weeding is required. Plant protection. Major problem, root knot nematodes. Nematode control. Rotation with marigold or sorghum and maize. Intercropping with marigold. 200 kg of neem cake per acre before planting. As a last option, apply carbofuran granules at the rate of 20 kg per hectare under the wet conditions near the root zone. Major diseases: Psoralea wilt and bacterial wilt. Never allow the water stagnation. Deeping the terminal cutting in carbamazepine solution 1 gram per liter before planting. Mix 5 kg of trichoderma in 250 kg of compost and apply around the roots is every 20 days intervals. Bacterial wilt. Streptophylline 300 ppm solution around the roots. Pseudomonas fluorescens biocontrol agent mixed with 300 kg of compost. Harvesting and yield. The crop is ready for harvest after about 130 to 150 days of planting. During the growing period, if any flowers are produced, they should be nipped off to obtain more biomass. The crop is harvested manually by uprooting the individual plants. The tubers are separated, clean, chopped into pieces and shed dried to bring about 12% moisture. On an average, a yield of 2000 to 2200 kg of dried roots per hectare may be obtained. However, if proper cultivation practices are applied, to yield of 2500 kg of dried roots can be easily obtained per hectare. Ashwagandha. Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Ashwagandha, English name winter cherry, Indian name Ashwagandha. Distribution India and North Africa. Uses drugs, medicinal properties and uses of Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is mentioned as an important drug in ancient Ayurvedic literature. Several types of alkaloids are found in the plants, out of which vithanine and seminiferin are important. Leaves contain 5 unidentified alkaloids, that is glucoside and glucose are many free amino acids. The pharmaceutical activity of roots is attributed to alkaloids. The total alkaloids content in the roots of the Indian type has been reported to vary between 0.13 to 0.31%. The drug is mainly used in Ayurveda and Unani preparations. A good deal of attention because of its antibiotic and anti-tumor activity. It is used for curing carbon cells and in the indigenous systems of medicine. The paste prepared out of its leaves is used for curing inflammation of tubercular glands and that of its roots for curing skin diseases, bronchitis and ulcers. In Rajasthan, roots are used for curing mainly diarrhea. In Punjab, they are used to relieve the lone pain and in Sindh for abortion. In some areas, warm leaves are used for providing comfort during eye diseases. However, roots are mostly used for curing general and sexual weakness in human beings. Fruits and seeds are diuretics in nature. Leaves are reported positive, anti-inflammatory and fibrous properties. In infusion of leaves is used given in fevers. For the treatment of piles, hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Both leaves, yes. Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Leaves are also used in hypotonic and alcoholism extremely. Leaves are used as a fermentation for sores of eyes, boils and swelling of hands and feet. The fresh leaf juice is also applied for arthritic pustule cells. Production technology. Soil. Sandy loam or light red soils. pH of soil is 7.5 to 8 with a good drainage. Waterlogging soil is not good for Ashwagandha. Climates. Ashwagandha is a late rainy season Kharif crop. It requires a relatively dry season and the roots are fully developed within 1 to 2 late winter and reach you. Areas receiving 650 to 750 mm rainfall are best suited for its cultivation. Variety. Jawar Ashwagandha 20 is a good variety of Ashwagandha. Cultivation. Direct sowing. Seeds can be sown directly in the field by broadcasting. Since it is largely grown as in a rain-fed crop, sowing is determined by monsoon. Seeds required per acre 2 to 5 kg, per hectare 5 to 12 kg. After receiving pre-monsoon showers, soils are brought to fine with tilt and crop is growing during the second week of July. Transplanting. About 2 kg seeds are required to provide seedlings for an area of 1 hectare. Seeds should be treated with Dyphane M45 at the rate of 3 grams of 1 kg seed before sowing. Seeds are sown in the nursery just before the onset of rainy season and are covered with light soil and then germinate in 6 to 7 days after sowing. When seedlings are about 6 weeks old, they are transplanted in the field in 60 centimeter wide, rows at 6 centimeter apart. Note, directly sown crop plants are thin at 20 to 30 days after sowing. To maintain a plant population of 20,000 to 25,000 per hectare, hand feeding at 25 to 30 days interval helps to control the wilt effectively. Plant protection. Major diseases: seed rooting, seedling blight and leaf blight. Schedule: neem seed kernel extract which have more effect on mites. Shoot borer can be controlled with sumicidine at 10 ml per liter. Treat the seed before sowing the captain at the rate of 5 kg, 1 kg 5 gram of seed, and the branch. The crop should be spread with diethamine M45 at the rate of 3 gram per liter of water within 30 days old, and the spray should be repeated at 15 days interval if the disease. Harvesting and yield. Harvesting starts from January and continues till March, after 150 days or 170 days after sowing. Maturity of the crop is judged by drying the leaves and red berries. The entire plant is uprooted for roots, which are separated from the aerial parts of cutting. The stem 1 to 2 centimeters above the crown. They are then cut into the small pieces of 7 to 10 centimeters. The berries plucked from dry plants are threshed to obtain the seed. An average yield of about 400 to 500 kg of roots and 50 kg of seeds are obtained from 1 hectare. Now bawachi. Bawachi is an indigenous herb used as a remedies against various diseases. Regional name is bawachi. Hindi. Distribution: it grows throughout the plains of India, especially in the semi-arid regions of Rajasthan, eastern districts of Punjab, adjoining Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bundelkhand, Dehradun. The plant is also widely distributed in the tropical and subtropical region of the world, especially China and South Africa. Propagation and cultivation. The plant thrives well in the areas with low to medium rainfall during the summer months. The germination percentage can be considerably increased by sowing the seeds during summer, that is March to April, and leaving them in the heat of the soil. Mechanical puncturing of the seed, covering or preserving treatment with concentrated sulfuric acid for 60 days has also been found effective in breaking the dormancy of the seed and increasing the germination percentage considerably. The crop takes 7 to 8 months to reach maturity. As the seed continue to mature continuously, 4 to 5 pickings are usually taken between the December and March. Parts used: seed, seed oil, roots and leaves. Description of the plant: it is small, erect, annual herb, growing up to 6 to 120 centimeters in height, throughout sandy, loamy plant of central and East India. Seeds are brownish black in color. They are described as a seed as a kidney shaped, 2 to 4 mm long, 2 to 3 mm broad, and 1 to 1.5 mm thick. Hard, smooth, with straw colored taste, with agreeable aromatic odor and pungent bitter taste. They have broad and bland dotted. Leaves are simple, broadly useless. The most amazing aspect of this plant is that every part of it is usable. Root, stems, leaves, and seeds, and whatever bloom it has, all are used to treat variety of skin problems such as skin rashes, infections, and others. It is used a name leprosy disorders. Is very ancient remedy for leukoderma. It has been treated extensively, not only. Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Hello.
Yeah, Nilesh, can you hear me?
Hello. No. Hello.
Can you hear my voice?
Hello.
Hello, Nilesh, am I audible?
Yes, hello. It helps fight vertigo, disorder in which patches of skin losses their pigmentation. It is used in inflammatory diseases. It is an effective inhibitor against impotency, menstruation disorder, and uterine hemorrhages. It is cure of glycogenic bleeding. It is also useful to treat the premature ejection. It shows coronary vascular activity. The seeds act as a deobstructant and heal nucleus. The crude drug has been used for the treatment of polyuria, painful feeling of cold in the waist and knees, and leaky kidneys. It is used in the treatment of diabetes and other problems. The root is useful in treating caries the teeth. Both of fracturing leaves are used in elevative diarrhea. Fruit is better help to prevent vomiting, curls, and others. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Nilesh. Shall we take some questions?
Okay.
Yeah. I request audience, please start your questions now in chat box. Yeah. So Sanjay wants to know what kind of plant we can cultivate in weather around Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh.
Coleus also ashwagandha.
Okay.
And which type here in Hyderabad? Telangana region or Andhra Pradesh region?
Telangana.
Telangana.
Yeah.
Which type of soil? Sandy loam or water blocking or red soil?
Red soil, sir.
Red soil, na? In
Yeah.
red soil, ashwagandha and coleus.
Okay. Sanjay, you can go for Ashwagandha and Coleus. So what is the demand and supply ratio of Ashwagandha plant in India?
Demand ratio.
Yeah, demand and supply ratio.
Supply is very low. Ashwagandha leaves are also sold 1 rupee each for each leaves.
Okay. So who are the customers for the Ashwagandha medicinal plant?
For which ashwagandha leaves are useful. On so many metros, so many people are demanding for ashwagandha fresh leaves.
Okay.
I am already supplied fresh leaves near about 10,000 a day.
Okay. So Pankaj wants to know what kind of plants we can cultivate in Gujarat, especially Saurashtra.
Saurashtra. In Saurashtra, bawachi is better.
Okay. And how to find buyers for Ashwagandha in India?
There are so many buyers in Delhi, in Madhya Pradesh, in Maharashtra also. If he has huge quantity of dry material, then I will also buy.
Okay. So someone told presently like aloe vera is not a good crop for farmers as there are no buyers for the aloe vera. Is it true?
Yes, it is true.
Okay. May I know why there is no demand for the aloe vera?
Because the production is so high and demand is so low.
Okay.
And so many people going to cultivate aloe vera in huge acreage, and rate is so low and production is very high. The aloe vera leaves are sold maximally 2 to 3 rupees per kg. So it is not useful for the farmers.
Okay.
Only manufacturer of juice and dry leaves powder getting so much profit. than farmer.
So if the farmers growing Coleus and Ashwagandha, will you help them to market it or buy from them?
100% I will purchase.
You will purchase, okay. So may I know, sir, what is the price going on and what will be the buyback price?
Buyback price is of Coleus is 250 per kg.
Mm-hmm. And
And Ashwagandha
Ashwagandha?
price is Ashwagandha dried roots price is near about 350
Okay.
minimum.
Okay. And seeds will be available at what rates if somebody wants to buy? Ashwagandha seeds.
Pardon?
Ashwagandha seeds.
Seed.
Yeah.
Ashwagandha seed is 250 rupees per kg.
Okay. So our member wants to know, can you provide details of any dealer?
Yeah, pardon?
Can you provide
Hello.
details of any dealer?
Yes. If anybody is interested, then I will provide.
Yeah.
Or any dealer in India, then I will provide the numbers and address also.
So please type in your contact number in chat box so that people can call you. Yeah.
Oh, yes. 99606 00.
You all can contact him on this number. It's 9960620080. Okay. So how the farmers can find about the correct pricing of these crops in the market so that they don't face any loss? How the farmers can find about the correct pricing of these crops so they need not face any loss?
Correct.
Pricing of these
Hello.
crops in the market.
This is the basic problem of medicinal plant. So contact me or so many other suppliers also on agricultureinformation.com.
Okay. No, I want to know how the farmers can find the correct price of these crops in the market.
Correct price. There is no any other market to show the price, the correct price.
Okay.
This is the basic problem.
Okay. Okay, when you buy these crops from farmers, what are the quality check of the crop you do?
Quality checkup. Quality checkup is the most important. First, no infection is found on the dried roots. Any bacterial infection or storage disorders. If harvesting is in a very good condition, there is no problem in quality.
Okay. Any method to define price, Pankaj wants to know? Is there any method to define price?
Define?
Price.
Define? I cannot hear. Hello?
Okay, Pankaj is not able to understand your question. Please elaborate. I request all other members, please type in your questions in the chat box.
Price means rate. Okay.
That's what he said, you have to contact him.
Okay. Pankaj.
Yeah.
Price means rate. Okay. Of crop. Which crop? Which crop?
Pankaj, about which crop you want to know the price? Coleus.
Clear.
Yeah.
Dried root price is 250 kg minimum rate. Maximum rate is 310 kg.
Okay. And does it, the price keeps changing?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, how it is? I mean, in 3 months it keeps changes, or I mean, every month anybody has to keep eye on the price. How it is?
Minimum price is 250, maximum price is 310.
Okay. Government will not fix the rates for the medicinal plants like it does for wheat and other grains.
Government is not.
Okay.
Government will not fix the rate.
Okay. I request Pankaj, Radhakrishnan, Sanjay, Satish, Shubha,
Provide guide.
members.
Hello.
Yeah, please continue. You were saying something.
Any organization provide the guidance of cultivation. From nature of irrigation, they give all information about the medicinal plants.
Okay.
No one is define the price.
Okay. And so where to get the
Next question.
saplings and how to maintain the crop? Where to get the saplings? Yeah, of these medicinal plants.
There are so many people in India. Only one factor is that please look out the quality and variety. Quality and variety is most important.
Okay.
In the collection case, very good variety, and jar 20 of Ashwagandha is very good variety.
Okay. Is that, I mean, any organization which provide guidance to the how to cultivate these medicinal plants?
So many organizations put the guidance
Okay.
in India.
Pankaj, I am unmuting you. You can ask your question directly with him. Please unmute yourself here.
Yeah, actually, hi. Hello.
Yeah, Pankaj, please ask your question.
Yeah, this is Pankaj. I just wanted to know that if we will cultivate this kinds of medicinal plants, if there is nobody, then how can we know that what is the current price of any these kinds of crop, medicinal crop like Ashwagandha or whatever we have written earlier. Hello.
Nilesh?
Hello, can you hear me?
There are so many people like me to define the prices of medicinal plants.
Yeah.
So many companies also define the prices.
Okay. Nilesh, did you hear Pankaj's question?
Yes.
Yeah. So he's waiting for the answer.
Actually, what happens? Farmers, while they are doing these kinds of crop, the companies are defining, but based on their profit, not on the benefit of farmers. That's the question.
Hello.
Nilesh?
Hello.
Hello?
Pankaj,
What
voice
I
is
am
very
saying.
low.
Hello. What I am saying that while farmers are doing these kinds of crop, the companies are defining price based on their benefit, not on based on farmers' benefit. So how can farmers negotiate with these companies?
Yeah. This is the most important point. Farmer, if you see last 6 years, Coleus price is hiccup. From the first Coleus in 2008, Coleus price is 110 kg per rupees per kg. Then is hiccup up to 210 rupees per kg. Ashwagandha started from 65, then grown up to 350 kg.
Okay.
There is no specific rate defining authority.
Okay. So, I mean, if government doesn't fix the price, then how the price gets fixed? Who
He
fixed
does
the
not
price?
interfere in the medicinal plants, the crops rate. Even state government or central government.
Okay. Audience, any more questions? I request audience, if you have any further question, please type in. Okay. I hope there are no more questions. And if the audience has any further questions, please visit agricultureinformation.com under online education section in webinar thread. And under this link, you can type your question, post your questions, and you can have discussion directly with Mr. Nilesh. And also I request audience to please fill this feedback form. Please spare a minute. This is a form based on today's talk, and I would also like to inform the recording of this talk will be uploaded in our webinar thread of our discussion forum. Thanks Mr. Nilesh for the informative talk. And I would also like to thank the audience for joining us. And before ending this meeting, I would like all to let know about our website. It is www.vmgmart.com, and this is the link where if you are looking for any agriculture product, please visit this site. And please visit our webinar thread under the online education section for updates on forthcoming events. I would like to thank Mr. Nilesh for the so informative talk and the audience for joining us. So I would like to end this meeting now. Have a nice day.